Hi guys, I'm Jessica Harlow. Today I'm going to show you how to get this really fun, exciting primary eye color look that everybody's doing on the runway these days. Let's get started. So I'm going to start out by using an eyeliner. I'm going for a really nice royal blue. So I'm just going to start by tracing along my lash line with a blue eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to pull out a little bit to kind of create more of like a feline effect. So I kind of really like when you see kind of like a double winged effect, almost like a cut crease. So I kind of trace along there, and it's almost like I'm basically mirroring what's going on down here at my lash line. And I like to be very light-handed with this, so just in case if I make a mistake, it'll be easier for me to clean up. Tilt your head back a little bit. And then once you start getting to where the wing is, you can dip a little down. It's like the same exact thing that you did down here, you're just mirroring that on top. Like, how gorgeous is this blue? Now you can leave this really graphic. You can always go in with like a clean, small eyeshadow brush and just blend things out a little bit, just if you want a more soft, diffused look, but I kind of want to keep this really graphic. And if you want to finish it up, I'll do a little bit along the lower lash line. You can even put in the waterline if you want to. And I'm going to apply mascara, and that's going to really help to add a really nice contrast, especially since we've got this really beautiful, bold blue primary color liner going on. It's going to just look absolutely gorgeous. It's going to tie the whole entire look together. So for the lips, I'm just going to go for something, this isn't necessarily a neutral, but it's not like in your face, like a really almost natural kind of pink, but it has a really beautiful kind of metallic gloss to it. So I'm just going to do a little bit of a liquid highlighter. Yeah, I like to go like right at the high points of the cheeks, and then I like to go a little bit above the brow. I really like when you're doing like a very graphic liner look, I kind of like for the brows to look really fluffy. And to keep them in place, I just take a little bit of a brow gel and I just brush them upwards. I feel like this is so 70s. It's fun. Don't forget to use the hashtag primary colors to show us your colorful transformation.